Hello everyone, this is Tamara Linkowski and I'm going to show you how to make the most delicious peanut butter chocolate and also get a lot of good healthy things in. And this recipe is so easy. Everything is equal portions, okay? So equal portions. I got a 1/4 cup here. It's easier for me to get a 1/4 cup and do it twice than to do one big 1/2 cup, just because a big 1/2 cup is a lot better. So I'm doing a total of a 1/2 cup sweetie. See what I did to the sweetie? I just put it in a coffee grinder and I ground it into a powder. And you can make buttercream this way, you can do anything. Look how it's just like a fine powder. So that's what I did. I put a 1/2 cup sweetie, a 1/2 cup cocoa, and I mean, this doesn't have to be measured perfectly. About a 1/2 cup coconut oil. And I'm gonna mix it now. Okay. So all this is 1/2 cup sweetie, 1/2 cup cocoa, 1/2 cup coconut oil. See that? All your oil in here is the coconut oil, so it makes it so healthy. Now I'm gonna add, this is real peanuts. The recipe is nothing but peanuts. So you can buy like organic peanuts, and I like the crunchy. So I'm gonna put about a 1/2 cup of that in here. And again, I don't measure perfectly, I just do it for taste. So I'm gonna do this. That makes it a little bit thicker and creamier. See that? Now what I'm gonna do, I bought these molds at Christmas time from Joann's. They're just kind of like snowflake molds. I'm gonna put a little bit in each mold. So now, I'm gonna take this and I'm just gonna go and top it with some chia seeds. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of flax, just a little. And my favorite part is this right here. Sticking some walnuts in there. And purchase some sweetie and you can make this. And once it freezes, I'll show you what it looks like, how delicious it is. Guys, so I just got them out of the freezer and they come out perfectly. And I'm not kidding, I can eat like 5 of these, but 1 should be sufficient. So enjoy and visit healthytreatsmarket.com and place your order today. God bless you.